So we were about to start this one. 7, 5 minus 8. This question. 7, 5 minus 8. So how to represent 7? I'll show you. To represent 7, 5, 6, 7. Then plus 5. What is the process to do plus 5? This is plus 10 minus 5. Yes, show me this. If you understood, show me this. Yes, good. Now minus 8. This is today's topic. Minus 8. How to represent minus 8? I have already written, so I'm writing it again. Minus 8 is equal to, you have to do minus 10 and plus 2. It is just the opposite of plus 8. What was plus 8? Plus 8 is equal to plus 10 and minus 2. So minus 8 is just the opposite. You can compare. Minus 8 is just opposite. So let us do minus 8. Minus 8. So you have to do minus 2 and sorry, minus 10 and plus 2. See, minus 8 is completed. So can you tell me the final answer? What is the final answer? Unmute yourself and tell me the final answer. What is the answer?
4.
Yes, very good. So I will do one more question for you. Write the answer in your copy also.